Welding demands precision, clarity, and comfort. That's why we created the Eastwood L6700 LED Welding Helmet. Let's dive into what makes this helmet a game changer. First up, the integrated LED lighting system. It's a crucial feature for low light environments with bright, adjustable LEDs. You'll see your workspace clearly, reducing eye strain and improving weld accuracy. No more fumbling with extra lights or struggling to see your weld puddle. So what does this mean for you? Better visibility, leading to more precise welds and fewer mistakes. You'll be able to work confidently, knowing you have a clear view of your work, even in dimly lit spaces.
Speaking of visibility, these helmets come with true color technology. Traditionally, welding lenses have an ugly green hue to them. True color technology gives the user a more realistic viewing area, which can help give you an overall better welding experience.
Next, let's talk about comfort. The L6700 is designed to be lightweight, minimizing neck strain during long welding sessions, and this translates to more productive nights spent out in your garage. You can weld for extended periods of time without discomfort, increasing your efficiency and your output. Of course, safety is paramount. The L6700 features an advanced auto-darkening filter with a wide viewing area. You can even adjust the sensitivity and delay settings to match your specific welding needs. The L6700 also includes a convenient grind mode activated with a single flip of a switch, allowing you to switch between welding and grinding in an instant. All of the other controls I just mentioned are located on the viewing lens cartridge. This means you can streamline your workflow, saving time and increasing efficiency. Switching between tasks is seamless and making adjustments is effortless. Powering the L6700 is a breeze because it has a replaceable battery and solar assist, ensuring you're always ready to weld. You can rely on consistent performance, knowing your helmet is always powered up. The LED light has a separate USB rechargeable lithium-ion battery. But don't worry about this constantly being on the charger because this thing will last up to 11 hours when fully charged. This helmet is available in black and white depending on your preference. The Eastwood L6700 LED Welding Helmet combines advanced features, superior comfort, and reliable performance. Upgrade your welding experience today with the L6700 LED. Visit eastwood.com to learn more and get yours today.